Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 362, deleting component in multiple environments using the PAC CLI. In our last tip, I talked about the manifest file that keeps track of deleted Power Pages components. In this tip, I go through the steps required to delete a component in one environment and then apply that delete operation to other environments using the PAC CLI. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. If you want to delete a component from a Power Pages site, say in a development environment, and have that reflected in other environments, like test and production, you need to run the download command before deleting the component. This will make sure the component is in the environment manifest file. Now you can delete it and run the download again. This subsequent download will cause the now missing component to be marked as deleted in the environment manifest file, as well as be added to the delete tracking manifest file. You can now use the upload command on your target environments, such as test and production, and the component will be deleted. If you don't run the download before deleting the component, the manifest files will not know about the component. This means it won't be added to the delete tracking manifest file, and so the upload command won't delete the component in other target environments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Page tip number 362 on deleting component in multiple environments using the PAC CLI useful.